Dr. Vicky. Today I will be showing you Sean's journey to a new smile. Sean first came to me with a dark front tooth. This tooth had been traumatized through a sporting accident and had died. After removing all the infection from it, Sean wanted to have it cosmetically corrected as well as to close the gaps and align his teeth. We did some mock-ups for 4 new teeth in porcelain veneers and 1 crown for the root-treated tooth. After approval of the mock-ups, we did the necessary preparations on his teeth and placed his trial smile. And 2 weeks later, his final veneers and crown. So, in just 2 treatment visits, we gave Sean his new smile. He mentioned to us that his pirate days are over.